Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amber Beauty Fashion. So friends, how are you? Hope you're fine and doing great. In this video, I will show you different style of dresses designing from latest trending fashion. There are so many dresses if you want to make stylish dresses and searching latest fashion, so this video will be very helpful for you. If you are new on my channel, so make sure subscribe, like and share it with your friends and family members. There are so many fabrics available in the market like string, silk, georgette, net, linen, lawn, cotton and so many fabrics available everywhere in the world. And also there are so many material available everywhere like pearls, stone, laces, patches and so many other things. You can place the kinds of things according to your choice to make stylish dresses. See you soon with new collection and new ideas. We'll be right back. Bye bye.